prospective employer, I am Gretchen Rivera, 32 years old, married, and I am a high school graduate. I have one daughter and she is 11 years old. My husband is no work because he is sick. That's why I want to work in Hong Kong to support the medication of my husband and to support the needs of my family. Thank you.
Okay, Gretchen, who will take care of your daughter while you're away?
My husband, ma'am.
Okay. So, do you have any working experience as a housemaid?
Yes, ma'am. I have been working as a housemaid here in Philippines.
So, what did you do with your previous job?
I did cooking, ironing, housekeeping, and marketing, ma'am.
Did you take care of children?
Yes, ma'am.
So, how old are they?
They are grown up now, ma'am. They are 16 years old, 14 years old, and 10 years old.
Okay. So, if you will be given a chance to work in Hong Kong, are you willing to take care of children ages 3 years old and above?
Yes, ma'am. I am very much willing also.
How about a newborn baby? Are you willing to take care?
Yes, ma'am. I am very much willing.
Okay, so what are the menus or foods you know how to cook?
I know how to cook pork soup, ma'am, chicken curry, and noodles.
Filipino food, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so can you follow the recipe book?
Yes, ma'am. I know how to follow the recipe book.
Are you willing to learn how to cook Chinese food?
Yes, ma'am. I am very much willing.
So what are some of your specialist skills?
I know how to cook, ironing, taking care of an elderly, taking care of children, housekeeping, and marketing.
Okay, so what are the traits necessary to be a good domestic helper?
Ma'am, it is necessary to be a good, hardworking, responsible, loyal, and patient.
Do you have any message you want to tell to your future employer?
To my prospective employer, please hire me. I want to earn money to support the needs of my family and to save money for my future. I can assure you, ma'am, that I will do my best and I will do my duties to serve your family well. Thank you.
Okay, Gretchen, thank you and good luck.
Yes.